Hey everybody, David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under, how long? 2 minutes or less. Time me. You ready? Let's rock. Today's tip comes from one of my friends over at Solar Technologies. They do solar panels, both commercial and industrial, up in the Bay Area. This particular friend is named Emily, and here's what Emily says about handling the competition. I thought it was juicy, I thought it was wonderful, I thought it was magnificent, and I wanted to share it with you guys as well. This is going to make a perfect Tuesday tip. So here's what she says. She says, get your prospects feeling good about you rather than bad about the competition. So again, get your prospects feeling good about you rather than bad about the competition. So what does that mean to you? Hey, you're in sales. You got people out there looking at you, and they're probably comparison shopping you amongst other companies and businesses. So what do? Man, you build value in you. You get people feeling good about you. You get people loving on you. There is no need to trash talk, minimize, destroy, eliminate, like none of it. None of it. Just get people feeling good about you. And when you get your prospects feeling good about you rather than bad about the competition, you know what's going to happen? They're going to be like, hey, this is the only guy that didn't trash talk the competition. We should probably give them the business. Because what? When value exceeds price, as Grant Cardone says, people buy. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, which Emily is a client of, feel free to head on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. And if you are in the market for solar and you just happen to be in the Bay Area, please check out Solar Technologies. You can find Emily over on LinkedIn. Her last name is Sabet, S-A-W-B-E-T. Emily Sabet over on LinkedIn, Solar Technologies. And be great. Boom, because nothing else pays. See you soon.